Gyamfi kind, so I'm the communications director for the NDC. Lawyer Sammy Gyamfi Akwaba, you know what he's saying?
That's your good man.
Minister that Jane. Oh yeah, Obomodia. But to start with, Kwekwa Santia reporter say there was a standoff between a judge. What really was the issue?
Oh, so trouble. I don't know if I can call it a standoff. I'm say and the proceedings in the ban you know. My lady called me to come to the witness box. Them say surprising kakra. And she asked me say at the last agenda date, you know, time Ben I'm back court. When was I in court? And I tried to find out when was I in court, you know. My lady respectfully per time potia me de buy an answer. I tried to understand the question. Inti I was not getting the clarification. Then Obisa lawyer Eduji Tamaklu. Lawyer Eduji Tamaklu answered the way he understood it. Say na me work court at the time in the course of the proceedings. Not so would there be me ba actually abrana my lady say me ba actually craft abrana court na we asem. And lawyer did you see there be me buy nti ocheche mu no my lady case oh okay no free say bia na mini court na court no etena sem can be etena se can be we ansa na meba na lawyer did you see there be cause say japa adanse no bombshell no drop us no dem wo ye menya kakra nti that was bia na my lady eni fa me so kakra nti my lady case okay sade akotena se
okay so
no echi no my lady raised concerns about public commentary kasa ekoso efa and assembly da court no na ne worry ne say hwe ya na obi akokan bibia ebegu court no ho fi na asemo a odi no esa na ma asem na ye basa na akwa ha court no ndike be ya ye nto ni da na ye nye circumspect na numu no na lawyers ni bi ene no kasa se omo de omo nye boni bia Ato Forson lawyer Dr. Bass say ye nye boni bia nti my lady kasa ye nyina ya fom ye nyina ye nya my lady say afa ni nyina afom na tadio sorry so no de onye boni bia the client Mr. Japan nye boni bia na lawyer Aziz Bassett Bamba say the client nye boni bia Dr. Ato Forson Attorney General na ko issue press release akoke cancel afa Dr. Ato Forson nti enumu no enem se lawyer ba ko bisa se na my lady asem potse ben pa na wate a enu nti na o kasa asemi no yes on kai bibia ba wo mu a o kai bibi no so o kai nipa obi ka se if the Attorney General can go and see an accused person without his lawyer there then that person can see the judge na why in the kasa nti my lady bisa na ben prensa na me obo mi din because me cancer to bo be dey na be sorry my lady say the me kan ne dia
na pese uti dia
ene baby kakra chima to bi aba ho because me can say if Godfred Dame can go and be meeting with accused persons on the blind side of their lawyers this way there, then he can meet a judge, a registrar, yes. And yet specific. What do I say? Because with accused person, it just say obetumi Aisha will be just to win the case.
So ultimately will see bomb.
Ultimately will be you didn't send what court. I will say what bomb micro no. Now all lawyer. Now as a renew for Ghana lawyer penya. Unimu mrane se ni pay wo lawyer me pese me ni din kita ho a lawyer for mrach me se me ne lawyer na nkasa. Enye nipa na court udi na asem no. Na wotumi ni pay eye meeting nipa na say at odd hours anadwo ahomache dia ene me wo the right to express an opinion say nipa bia ni su ne ban tesa no ene obetumi aye bibia just to get what he wants, and that includes meeting a judge, a registrar, a worker of the court just to manipulate the judicial process. So enti enye the judge say I was talking about the judge,
so you were not specific.
Yes, and later on I mean it's been clear the judge I was talking about because Godfred Dame Nankasa the spokesperson Bakasa was joy said Godfred Dame say no ni Mr. Jackpa wo baby na ye Supreme Court judge what is MPP for na bonidi ni money di and a friend no say omra ni fie and o ko ni fie na Mr. Jackpa be ambush no na just say Dame e de me bo abrem say Sammy Gyamfi ampa mitimi ni judge for shia ye meeting it is Sammy Gyamfi ka say Dame can talk to a judge or see a judge that is what I was talking about in my lady. But I think say at the end of the day no in principle court bia as a dreamer or person yen say obo the sanctity of the administration of justice woman. Asem course wo court judges in pese wo be allegations a gidia o man for wo court mu no e be free ho so na gu court na nimu ase enti self futu ne de e ne kwan so anemum the specifics no e na me ne my lady nyaadwe na yeso ye ntete no say omo wan tete as lawyers my lady or child or law school enti say my lady can be na me nim say enye sa na maya. Even though ideally you don't have to banter the judge, you know, and I was not even at the bar, I was at the bench, I mean in the gallery, but engaging the judge. When people said you shouldn't banter and all that, but I needed to draw her attention, say, dear my lady Simakan, I didn't say it. This is what I said, and what I said was right. Because the Attorney General, this is the evidence I have. And so to me you wait there, and you will to me you will swaka. And now he has proven me right. Say I dear me can't will be to me judge the registrar and the evidence on one case. That's why okay, so at the end of the day, you know, say it ended up with an advice, and then I was invited into chambers and I met, and I can't talk. The ethics will not allow me to talk about that. Everything is in confidence, but I can say that everything went well. Everything went well. Yeah.
So what is the NDC seeking to achieve?
The courts, so Richard Japan. He was expected to make cross-examination now last week and this answer in the expectation was to pay over to us a high court justice if you say was a court of appeal judge, but chief judge a man a special warrant say case radio on international or high court. Let's say or so but the corner you say interlocutory issues be about up because of that. The court was unable to continue the cross-examination of Richard Japa, and we understand say MD's lawyer for Ato Forson and Co. I've been trying to file application, be getting the court say ma attorney general any won fi say mo so on resigning as attorney general at least in some course of court TDA he should step aside and let other persons at the department continue. Because of all these things the case could not continue. See if you say we are no judge say Sammy Gyamfi the original answer Sammy Gyamfi public gallery mo be a nyina na court of appeal judge with certain with additional responsibilities as a high court judge. I can say also in an answer na on say bisa no o man sorry fee be otina ba drop no mu be a cross examination obegina no man ebegina ho ana obisa ne say nsem na wakati central for fi emra asemi sie award ana Sammy Gyamfi bisa say asem se bena okay, because we can't say be brave. And a judge needed to him say before call the bahono, Sammy Gyamfi no, a day warden or bar courtroom hold up tambe. Because a judge say, oh, Sammy Gyamfi court a ho, that time not cross examination na a ma jack park and in seminal, a real crown son of Sammy Gyamfi eba. Inti, none some all canon. Because you were not there, you were seeing. But some of the lawyers intervened, so apparently Sammy Gyamfi was in court. During the cross-examination, he stepped out and then came back. You know, the course of court will be no him who be judge no no courtenance. Courtenance be 1 minute judge nsa catch on so now. Na assembly na osako kan wo media interviews or no. Na judge na coach say waka bibi say attorney general in fact to quote English said exactly what the judge said. He says if judge say asema what is Sammy Gyamfi can say if someone can call the accused without his lawyer, then he can call the judge. Say, attorney general bit me afraid accused person you Richard Japa. I man a lawyer and can want to say judge cry or as wait. And Sammy Gyamfi say one kasa if the attorney general can call the accused person without his lawyer, then he can call the judge. But okay, say if someone or the attorney general can call the accused person without his lawyer, then he can call a judge. Say one can't the judge or can a judge. That is only judge we are or tell them so. And no.
But so to be free be able to do the
with me judge
be with my friend.
And one seminar on your marker. But judge just if you are about no. In fact, Sammy Gyamfi, in fact, the quote again is Sammy Gyamfi should be responsible with his commentary around this case. In fact, he went back and forth. In fact, Judge Kasa didn't Sammy Gyamfi didn't answer no so kasa. Person touching in same. Judge says, "Oh, ba me court ah. Okay, ma me kasa wi ansa na wakasa." Until go back and forth. In fact, for almost 5 minutes, Sammy Gyamfi was on his feet. Judge in the car, so man can see, me can see, man can see, me can see. Until former Attorney General Marietta Brew appear upon no court will be, and also original answer. In fact, before best original answer, not judge no say na or a prosecutor. Before by judge no a prosecutor, time a prosecutor na Marietta Brew appear upon and a Attorney General into him the former boss or Attorney General department. Until Marietta Brew appear upon its original say. So back and forth here, journalists for new be our higher be and yet into Uncle Judge no. Enyan to boss, can I mean you soon to boss? Now, so Maka say me which say cry. And I judge and so where there any problem? So courtroom higher no because as no becanina. Into Marietta Brew appear upon tried say Uncle Becca judge and it's okay or more. Sammy Gyamfi so kind of known to judge and so and tone it down a little bit. The judge did not budge. So Marietta Brew appear upon sat down and said that okay, this is your court to manage. You can manage it the way you wish to do so. So the judge issued a stern warning to Sammy Gyamfi say, "Minsem ke kayemu ewo court case here regarding Dr. Ato Forson. On year, you should be responsible in a statement." And yes, Sammy Gyamfi so fighting back say he has always been responsible when it comes to this case. And so he sat down. The court was adjourned. And then the judge called Sammy Gyamfi, Marietta Brew appear upon, and all the lawyers representing the various parties say, "Oh man, the chamber," so that they can have a conversation about that. Especially when one man stern instructions and warning say, all the lawyers and the parties to this case, as some say, "Omonsam ke kayemu no, enko fa bibi enko to amanfo adwimu." Na so ochine bi otro na judgment amanfo beka say bia judgment no akosi because of Attorney General and I say because of Ubinti. No, judgment obetro there. Obetro. Near course of Bontin, near course of courtroom evidence in Kwan Ebe affecting in writing the judgment. What people see outside will not affect it. But a month for Kosuki can say, I'm sure not trying judgment. A month for say, it be an BBC. So